Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video where you're gonna learn some different lovely unique crafts. So here with the help of these paper crafts we have created beautiful lovely looking butterflies. Further here get the round shaped cut in this form, get them attached particularly the googly eyes and then just put it all over the bottle cap and then you can definitely play with it. Keep on proceeding, get the sheet, get the folds like this from every corner. You need to just get them beautifully attached like this. You need to make it and secure the sheets in this way and then get them attached like this. You have to secure the sheets in this manner and get them attached, and this origami dinosaur is absolutely ready to go. Further here you have to get the eyes, attach the sheets like this, roll them up in this manner and your snail is gonna look damn pretty. Isn't it cool? Now let's see what are we going to do next. You have to just get them attached, get all over it, over a tissue. You need to just make it in this manner, just twirl it and then you are gonna paste it and tie them up. These are gonna look damn pretty and eye alluring. Proceeding in this manner, get a beautiful flower made and then what are we going to do? You have to just get the cuts like this from the middle, get it attached in this form and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Further here what are we up to? You have to just secure it in this manner, get them attached like this and then curve it and roll them further in this way. Get your lollipops attached. Cool, right? Now get a cranky newspaper and then here you need to just secure it like this, get them folded as we are showing here in the video and then from the middle you need to just get them done like this. Cover it further and your sword is ready. Cool, right? Again get the same kind of newspaper cutting and then you need to get it folded from the corners and then get them attached beautifully like this. You need to get them done in this way and then open it further. Isn't it amazing? Now let's have a look what are we gonna do next. You have to just secure the sheets like this, get them attached in this form. You have to make the beautiful hearts in this manner and this is gonna look damn pretty. Now here get the yellow and black sheets, you have to attach them one over the other, get the wings and the antenna attached, get the beautiful eyes made and this is gonna look pretty cool. Now here you have to again get the sheets, then you have to attach them in this manner, get them beautifully made in this way and this will just make it look awesome. You have to just tie them together and get this beautiful shape made. Isn't it cool? Get the blushes and your pretty pink rabbits are gonna be ready. I hope guys you have enjoyed watching our different lovely crafts like this with the help of clays. You can definitely try them at yourself. Thank you for watching the video.